Hi, my name is Dr. Ravi Naik Bhanot, Professor, Mechanical Department, St. Martin Engineering College. Today topic it is welding and tinsmithy topic. It is manufacturing process including it engineering workshop. We are discussing from workshop it is providing by space, area, tools and machinery to produce from raw material converting to finishing goods. We performed by mass production, batch production, job production, you can creating for new job or service the do job in the place from engineering workshop. In the topic from fitting trade, carpentry trade, welding trade, casting trade, and different trade we have performed in engineering shop. In part of the one it is for welding topic today we are discussing here only. Then what is mean by welding? Welding it is from different from any two kind of metal to metal joining process. It application of heat or pressure are both variable at concentration of high temperature, low temperature. It performed joining the two metal pieces. It performed at room temperature joining the process. It is known as welding. Welding it is there are so many types of welding category performed here. It is classification from fusion welding process, solid state welding process. Welding it is performed from any two kind of positive electrode and negative electrode. Positive electrode performed electrode where it is and negative given the base metal. In between that electrode performed negative and direction and positive direction generate the spark. It is generated by arc. The arc will be temperature rising that at metal surface and adding the filler material joining the two or more element performed joining process. It is known as arc welding. Arc welding there are two category performed. It is direct current performed, alternate current performed. In the process from we performed a principle of arc welding process. Next, say what is mean by welding process? Welding process it is two or more element performed. It pressure either heat or both variable. You can apply it joining the metal to metal perform. It is non-metal, ferrous metal, any kind of metal. It fabricated processing for. It is you can use by automobile industries, two-wheeler vehicles, any kind of industry level. It manufacturing fabricated process. Then what is meant by arc welding? Arc welding it is arc is generated by electric arc to create the heat or fusion or pressure and joining the together more or two element at performed at room temperature. It is arc welding process. It is principle of arc welding process. You can see here it is a welding machine. It is from alternate current converting to DC current. Both electrode performed by core wire. One it is performed electrode holder holding the electrode rod and second cable it is conducted by base metal which our job will be connected here. Given the ground cable is a earth cable, it is minus negative power and positive power. When our passing between that small gap, it generates the spark or arc. The arc performed heat will be generated both surface material along with supply of filler material. The filler material will be melted the at my mini casting process and joining the two edges or two surface at room temperature cooling that it performed is a permanent welding process. It is welding process performed welding temperature. It is 2000 degree temperature, 3000 degree temperature. It arc will be generated the heat. Joining the two edges will be melt and deposited filler material joining the permanent welding process. It is performed by arc welding process. It is arc welder, base metal, electrode welding machine. The welding machine it performs two category of perform. It is DC power, AC power, alternate or both are combination of power you can use by welding machine. Next, whatever may be advantage of arc welding. Any complicated job it performed or repair the job it performed by welding process. And whatever disadvantage, it is whenever during the process performed by welding, it is harmful gases getting that flux material and high temperature and radiation also getting the eyes affecting. It is a disadvantage by arc welding process. Next, classification of welding or types of welding. It is category performed. These are category from. First, it is sealed metal arc welding. It is a covering by external. You can use helium gas, argon gas to control the prevented by atmosphere air during the welding process to for performed permanent welding process. And second, it is metal inert gas welding. Third one, it is metal active gas welding. The next one, it is tungsten inert gas welding, TIG welding, MIG welding, plasma arc welding, submerged arc welding, and gas metal arc welding. Oxygen means gas welding. It is there are three types of gas welding: neutral flame welding, oxidizing flame welding, carburizing flame welding. It depends upon the ratio of different gases. 50-50 it is a neutral flame, or fuel gas along with oxygen gas, acetylene gas, or 75% acetylene gas and 25% fuel gas. It is carburized place. We perform metal cutting process. We use that gas welding process. And next one, resistant welding. Resistant welding, it is an example for non-consumed electrode. Consumed electrode means we use externally adding the filler material, then joining the two or more edges. You can use by externally filling filler material. But non-ferrous means without use any consumable material. Wherever both base metal for heated and joining the two edges process. It is by resistant welding process. It is spot welding process, seam welding process, projection welding process. These are category under come from resistant welding. And plasma welding, laser beam welding advanced, and solid state welding. Solid state welding, it is we use olden day fabricated any two kind of material and holding that higher temperature and performed joining two edges. It is forging process. Is a solid state welding or explosive welding or ultrasonic welding. These category all it performed. It is solid state welding here. Then what is types of welding here? It is there are two category of welding process. One, it is fusion welding, metal base. It is consumable welding process. And solid state welding, it is non-melting, non-filler material adding that. These are two category. We adding that and differentiate. Here it is externally use that filler material. It may be copper, brass, stainless steel, filler material performed and adding the two or more element joining the process. And second one, without filler material, whatever base metal it performed joining by heating the edges melting point and joining at cooling the room temperature. Both edges will be performed joining process. It is a solid state welding process. Under fusion welding is a arc welding process, resistant welding process, electrode current process, gas welding, and other fusion welding process means stick welding, team welding, advanced welding here. And solid state welding, it is diffusion welding, friction stirring welding, ultrasonic welding, and explosive welding. Under these all categories, it is solid state welding process. Then wherever you can use that shielded metal arc welding process. You can use by externally, generally we are using by outside society. It is fabricated by any kind of home or automobile or any kind of infrastructure, building, beaches, any kind of it fabricated. You can use by shielded metal arc welding. It is referred to sticking the electrode by use joining the two edges and together performed heat and at room temperature solidified. It is sticking welding process. It is used by everything for pipe lining welding process, frame repair, complex material, bridges, all kind of we can use by arc welding process. It is used sticking shape electrode only performed. It can be weld used by stainless steel weld, cast iron, and mild steel, medium steel, low carbon steel, high carbon steel. These are kind of material performed. It is arc welding process, and it can also hard face with current electrode. Whatever may be wherever during the welding area occurring, it is a heat affected zone compared to base metal. Base metal. You can see here it is a tractor. Whatever may be tractor wheel fracture there or very area, it is fabricated by arc welding. It is a by person supply of positive current, electrode holder holding the electrode rod to generate the spark. It is together joining process. It is agriculture equipment performed by it is a tractor. It is a welding machine. It is welding machine. It is a AC current means alternate current processing. Here whatever may be supply of single phase welding machine, two phase welding machine, three phase welding machine. It is three phase means heavy duty purpose we performed 440 voltage convert into DC current, generate the spark, joining the two elements. Example, it is terminal 1, terminal 2. It is negative terminal given the workpiece and positive terminal given the electrode volt from electrode holder. Next, whatever welding process performed by principle of basic level here only. It is a person during the fabricated by frames, and it is welding principle. What is welding principle? It is a base metal. Base metal performed by welded beam area. Whatever consumable electrode rod by arc will be generated, that the slag will be upper layer performed, and down it is base metal, which is for mild steel. It is there here. Electrode also same metal. It performed deposited by surface area, and gases will be prevented by flux material, avoiding by atmosphere gases. Prevented by, if you enter that, it performed by oxygen, it performed by oxide layer performing. After 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years, it be corrosion will be increased, that strength will be downfall. It may depend upon the strength will be affecting the mechanical properties by base metals. Okay, these are workpiece, these are gases, these are metal and slag material. Whenever consumable electrode performed by slag means unwanted material, the flux will be burning like that, prevented atmosphere gases. After performed slag material means impurity material, then avoiding by, you can use by chipping hammer, remove the process. It is performed welding, it is perfectly, it is there. Okay, if you does not, you can do by again like that. It is arc. Arc will be generated that it may be minimum 1 mm gap, maximum 3 mm gap. We have maintained that electrode rod and workpiece. In between that, maintain that, you can generate the arc. The arc will be whenever generate that, then filler material adding that, it is maybe solid state converted into liquid state, melting and deposited wherever you want area. They are only sticking the filler material. And flux. Flux, we know that it is, flux material is coke material, charcoal material, the different material perform different base material, electrode material. Then we can use by, prevented by during the welding process, by use by atmosphere gases, avoiding the during the welding process. And you can see here, this is also different jointing process. See here, it is different types of welding joining. You can use by, you can need by different joining, the shape and size will performed, joint will be different, then occurring wherever used, then you can use by different welding joints. Joint, it may be, it is side by side, two plate will be performed, it is a butt joint. One plate to lapping the other plate, then two edges will be lap. Wherever you can use that, it is lap joint. Or you can use by 90 degrees angle, one job and other job together joining the edges, it is 90 degrees, either 30 degrees, either 60 degrees, whichever we want by angle of shape will be performed by different welding joints. The joint will be butt joint, lap joint, T-joint, corner joint, edge joint. These are so many category of joint will be performed different operation like that. Then next, what is welding principle of joining process? You can see here, these are base metal both. It is single V joint. Single V joint, it is welded the filler material joining the two edges. It is whatever given the here dotted line, it is a welded zone. Welded zone compared to base metal or permanent metal, it is soft metal, and welded zone will be more than hard material compared to. Whenever load you can apply, does not broken the welding zone area. It is broken that only can apply more load. It may be parent metal will be broken the wear only. It is a root. It is V root, J root, double J root. So many welding symbols here only. It is butt joint process. It is T joint process. Two joining process, whatever different performed here parameters. Next, what are different types of speed? Slow speed, maximum speed, very slow speed, very high speed during the welding process, which are filament will be deposited by welded zone metal area. You can see here, it is gold weld. It is uniformly sequence performed by welding speed. It is tolerant too fast. Whenever too fast, you moving the electrode in the electrode performed by work job, it is properly not filled the material. It is too slow material, it is more deposited by two edges. It is different speed, different parameter we performed welding joint occurring in the butt joint only. Next, see, we performed here DC motor, AC motor, generator will be performed welding process. Here only it is heavy duty, light duty, medium duty performed. Light duty means you can use single component 24 hours, you can use 3 or 4 hours, you can applicable, it is a welding process. Medium duty means 24 hours, you can do 12 hours. In the processing performed, it is medium duty welding machine or welding transformer. And heavy duty means you can use by 24 hours, you can use mass production rate, fabricated process. You can use by 3-phase transformer, 3-phase welding machines. You can see here, it is a AC welding machine. AC means alternate current machine, direct current. Whenever performed here, most of commonly can use by homes fabricated, frames are fabricated by infrastructure, bridges, any kind of, and good for from repair and light jobs, light duty jobs, and low cost for material can use by arc welding process. Next, DC motor here. What is DC? Direct current. How do we generate the DC? Wherever you can go forest area, they are only performed by bridge. They are performed by bridge, iron bridge it is, or railway bridges it is. It may be failure like that. There only generator will be operating for mechanical engine will be rotated coupled to generator. The generator will be produce the power. Those power utilized to for DC power only. It performed by DC. It is generator type of machine. It is diesel or gas or any kind of you can operating purpose. It is portable. Wherever we need performed, you can take carry that and there only can do the processing. And it is easy expansion, low cost material compared to AC machine. Next, it is combination of AC and DC machine performer. See, we already discussing for AC welding machine and DC machine also. But now it is the combination of AC and DC machine. Welding machine will be performed this type of machine. It is for can be welded AC and DC. Polarity. Polarity. What does mean by polarity? Polarity means whenever positive electrode connected by job and negative electrode connected by electrode. It will be generate the negative direction, positive direction, generate the welding machine wherever surface of the job. Then beyond depth, it may be 2 mm, it performed by welding area. If you use negative direction, it is 1 mm only performed by in depth of the work job and upper surface. It is reverse polarity and forward polarity. Here only there are so many kind of position. It is for down position, vertical position, horizontal position, overhanging position. These are 4 processes you can do by position of welding process, and you can use by forward polarity and reverse polarity during the welding process by electrode moving the for on the surface on the job. Next one, it is from whatever may be used gas metal arc welding process. Why you can use difference between sealed arc metal and gas? Here you can use by wherever electrode it is there, it is continuously performed by wire rope wherever getting that, where a rope will be getting that here, continuously welding process will be performed by gas metal arc welding process. It is continuously you can use, it may be long 10 meter pipes or 20 meter pipes. It is you can start one, it is moving the per minute for 2 meters like the continue during the welding process. You can use by helium gas covered by externally, and arc will be generated that and filler material continuously supply of on the workpiece. It is gas metal arc welding process. It is continue welding process. You can use by here such as metal, steel, aluminum, stainless steel, cast iron, any kind of material performed continuous welding process. See here, this is for example gas metal arc welding. It is a machine. These are 2 hose pipe. It is a hose pipe. Hose pipe is positive here only. This machine performed directly continuously supply of wire. Wire it may be aluminum wire, copper wire, brass wire. It performed gun. Gun you can see here generate the arc. The arc will be generate that filler material will be supplied continuously and melt will be solid state converted into liquid state and deposited wherever we want welding area. They are only continuously passing that, and externally can use by covering by gas. It is gas arc welding process. You can see next slide here, gas welding processing. See, these are principle of gas metal arc welding. You can see this is electrode gun under supply of wire. This is consumable wire filler material. It is green color. It is there. Here it is by, it is tube area only performed by gas nozzle. It is helium or organic gas covered by external prevented by atmosphere air and during the welding process and joining the two or more element continuously processing here. Next, it is gas metal arc welding process, welding the zone area. Whatever may be edges and two edges in between that welding occurring zone area. Then wherever you can application of this kind of arc welding process. See here first construction of arc welding can use by steel structures. Example railway bridges, road bridges, any kind of towers, all may be performed by joining the process and bridges, railway wagoners, all kind. The automotive sector arc welding can use by chassis, frame, main elements and axle, all are you can performed by automotive sectors. And aerospace, whatever aerospace plane it is there, the internal structure, body movement of all together joining the process and externally can use by sheet metal. It is aluminum sheet or bus body also, chassis it is made by completely arc welding process. And wherever industrial manufacturing process, it is to produce the any kind of machine. What machine? Lathe machine, drilling machine, or fabricate any kind of large machine, all element together joining the process be performed by arc welding process. And you can do also service any kind of small kind of broken the element and do for service and repair the process you can use by arc welding process. Then next one it is sheet metal. Who are working by sheet metal, you can use by fabricated. It is easy to fabricated, easy process and strength to weight ratio and light duty and easy fabricated by sheet metal process. Who are working less than 2 sheet, more than 2 it is a plate, less than 2 is a sheet. It is used by fabricated by any kind of tin box, oil tin box, automobile car bodies, car doors, or RTC bus body, aluminum sheet, aeroplane aluminum sheet, it all fabricated by can use by sheet metal. Sheet metal is performed here, copper materials, aluminum materials, galvanized materials. These are light to heavy duty and eco-friendly. These are material performed in the sheet metal. These are sheet metal process. First, we are taking by raw material to measure the which we want to size of metal. We performed cutting the processing or marking the processing, cutting the processing and notching the processing. And next one it is wherever two or more edges all together joining the process, it is by folding process and single seam joint. Whatever 1 edges and other edges will be performed together joining and folding that, it is a single seam joint. If we two fold, it is a two double seam joint. It performed any kind of visuals. And these are sheet metal different operation. You can see straight folding process, scratching, flagging process, sinking process and hemming process. Hemming means two edges performed together, butt joint, all edges. And it is double seam joint. It is single coulering means performing by curvature of performing by edges. It is coulering process. It is all together operation. It is a sheet metal process. Next, we can use for what is advantage of part of the sheet metal. First, high strength. You can use automobile bus body it is there. It can use by aluminum frame. If you use iron, heavy duty and fuel will be consumption will be more and ticket cost will be high and mileage will be decreasing. There only can use by aluminum sheet performed it is and eco-friendly, eco-corrosion resistant and good dimension accuracy and good surface finishing and relative low cost compared to other material and economically mass production and large quantity of easy to fabricated by this process. And these are tools we used performed by thin smithy processing. These are scriber, tri-square, hand snips. Hand snip, there are two types of snips. One is curvature snips, straight snips. Then cut it by sheet metal, which are we want to requirement of size and shape. We can use measure that by help of steel rule and it is marking by you can use by scriber and you can cut by snips. And annual it is a supporting device which we want area you can do by flatness or bending or any kind of operation supporting device. And soldering iron. Soldering means whenever two edges it performs joining the operation as per for welding process only, but low temperature we are using here lead material and joining the without leakage performed by corner. You can use by soldering process. And hammering can use by shape and the sheet metal And next, mallet. Mallet is a light duty purpose. We performed striking tools. Striking tools. And you can perform sheet metal. These are materials. Thin material, galvanized iron material, black iron material, stainless steel material, copper and aluminum. These are materials. Then you can see here, note. What kind of sheet metal we performed the objectives? You can see for, it is for raw material by sheet. You can take by raw material sheet, then use by, performed by rectangular tray. Wherever use this rectangular tray performed in the galvanized iron, almaris, banker people loading the from bank to ATM machine to store the money for boxes and sweet house, any kind of we performed. Okay. Then you can see a small video what is principle of the arc welding process. See, arc welding means we performed here. You can see video. It is a principle of arc welding process. We generate that video small. It is here. Which are base metal, which are principle of arc, how to generate the welding machine and electrode and base metal. You can see here. It is arc means generate the small spark. When a spark will be generated, firing the heat. When a heat the firing that, the filler material will be melt and deposited wherever need by job. In the edges will be filled that joining the processing. You can see these are welding machine to connect it with the two cable. One it is red, it is a positive electrode holder, and yellow it is a clamp. It is negative holder to connecting the working table in the welding working table. These are two electrode. It is a welding machine to generate that AC current converted to DC current and connecting with the job. It is a job. It is for green area, it is a job, and electrode to moving the electrode holder. Under holding the electrode deposited by two pieces, it generate the spark. Deposited filler material. It is a processing by, you can use here arc welding process. See here, it is all edges, whatever two edges, build that and during the welding process. It is a negative cable, positive cable generate the spark. It is arc welding. After remove the slag material, chipping hammer, you can use the unwanted material, remove the process, you can use by chipping hammer. Then after inspection of the welding, it is properly joining or not, you can inspection that and do service like that. It is principle of arc welding video. Here you can see this is completely job. It is small video wherever joining the area.